Today we will be discussing 2 exchange listings that Shiba Inu Coin just got. Let's get into this video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And I'm going to be setting a like goal of 200 likes, so if we can hit that, that'd be awesome. And if you guys didn't already know, we do have a private Discord where we discuss all the latest Shiba Inu Coin and cryptocurrency news. You get direct access to both me and Kyle, so if you guys want to join that, use the second link in the description. Pick any of these tiers, all 3 of these tiers will give you access to the private Discord, so go ahead and use that second link in the description. And if you guys want some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description to get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit $1 on the app, you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest in a Shiba Inu Coin to get yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. But without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. And here we are on public.com. We can see that we have pretty much leveled out. We've kind of consolidated throughout the rest of yesterday and into the morning. I thought we could possibly be seeing 32 at some point, but it looks like we have found a bottom here at the 33, and now we're sitting at about the 34. So if you guys want to see my technical analysis and all the up-to-date technical analysis, wait till the end of the video. But we'll also be going over a few different pieces of news that came out on Shiba Inu Coin today, so make sure you guys stick around for that. And the first piece of news is going to be coming from CoinSwitch Listing, which, if you guys don't know, this is a very large exchange in India. It is actually the biggest exchange of India. We gave you guys an update on that today on our Twitter. If you guys want to go follow us on Twitter, you can follow us at It's Finance Bro. But basically we said update Shib holders. Shib officially got listed on CoinSwitch, which is India's biggest exchange. So really good to see there. But yeah, they tweeted, they said Shiba Inu is now on CoinSwitch. To celebrate the launch, we present the Shiba Inu on CoinSwitch giveaway. They're going to be giving away a Bitcoin, I believe worth $200,000. I believe they just do the number system different there. But then also 2,000 winners win 100 each. I don't know how much this is worth though, to be fair. But I mean, that is really cool that we got this exchange listing on CoinSwitch, which is the biggest exchange on India. This is massive because India is a very large market. Obviously, not all of India's population is into cryptocurrency yet, but however, they have a massive population, and tapping into that market is going to be crucial for the growth of Shiba Inu going into 2022. As the India's population grows with cryptocurrency, we will also see it grow into Shiba Inu Coin, and Shiba Inu Coin benefit from being in that exchange in India. Also, just in, Now Payments is set to add a Shib burn feature for merchants in early 2022. So we already kind of knew that they were doing a burn with a lot of their profits, but now merchants are going to be able to have a burn feature for if they use Now Payments on their website. So I'm sure a lot of us are going to be utilizing this feature, considering Now Payments is able to use on like Shopify and a lot of other e-commerce online stores. So this is really big, just to add to the overall Shiba Inu Coin burn plan that we have for 2022. I also would like to mention that announced in the Shib AMA last night, all the different things that are coming out in 2022, Shiba Swap v2, Shibarium, ShibaNet, are all going to have built-in Shiba Inu Coin burns. So that is adding to the overall burn plan that we do have for Shiba Inu Coin. So not only do we have exchange listings coming up in 2022 from some exchanges that we might not even know about in different countries, but we also have a burn plan coming from the developers. So this is a very good thing to see. We all know we need to burn Shiba Inu Coin if we want to get to that 1 cent, and we also know that we're going to need really cool things like Shiba Swap, Shibarium, ShibaNet in order to get that price up as well. So good thing to see here that the devs have a plan to burn all the Shiba Inu Coin, and I can't wait to see what Shiba Inu Coin does in the 2022 season. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for that piece of news. And now let's get into the global crypto market. So the crypto markets have bounced back a little bit from yesterday. When I made my video last night, we were down to about a $2.19 trillion market cap. That was a 0.31%, or that was like a 5% decrease over the last day. Now we're up to 0.31% to $2.24 trillion. So that's good to see. Bitcoin and Ethereum both in the green. A lot of the altcoins, however, still in the red. Shiba Inu Coin still in the red by 1%, but let's check out how they're doing today. The volume is still very low. I hope this doesn't go into the millions, but I could possibly see that happening today. As you can see, the volume is kind of tailing off at the end of this in the past couple of hours. However, obviously when we check this volume from before, we were at 1.2 billion yesterday and 1.8 billion dollars before. Hopefully we can see us bounce back to that $2 billion range, so we can see maybe a 5 to 10% jump in price, but we'll have to see what happens with that. I'm really looking at this volume trying to get it back to $2 billion, but we'll have to see. Now let's get into this technical analysis. So last night I told you guys, hey, I don't know, we could possibly be returning to this support line at the 32 level. We'll have to see what happens in the morning. Well, it is now in the morning, and we have not actually even retreated at all to that previous support line at the 32. So it looks like we have pretty much found support here at the 33, if I'm going to be honest with you guys. But I could possibly see just one red candlestick taking us down all the way to this 32 support line. So I think we'll be trading tightly between this 32 and the 36 resistance line right here until we break one way or the other. Obviously, if we get a really good piece of news like a Robinhood listing or something, we'll go up 102 or 200%, obviously. But Shiba Inu Coin on their Twitter has said that, or Shiba token on Twitter has said that they have a surprise for us going into 2022. That surprise will most likely break us out past this 36 resistance and bring us all the way up to that 40 resistance probably. So from here, I can see us getting about probably 15 to 20% in gains in early 2022, depending on what that announcement is. I'm assuming it's going to be a pretty exciting announcement, but for now, the RSI is sitting at a 53, so we're still between being overbought and oversold. So we could possibly test this resistance at any time today or tomorrow. We'll just have to see what happens. We are trending up on the MACD as well. So cool stuff to see here, but I think we will trade kind of sideways for the next day until we get that announcement from Shiba Inu Coin and their Twitter. I'm assuming they'll make the announcement on their Twitter, but once we get that announcement, we'll see where this goes, and definitely subscribe to follow us to see what that announcement is. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel, and also comment how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. If you guys haven't already, use that first link in the description to get some free Shiba Inu Coin. All you have to do is deposit $1 on public, and you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest in Shiba Inu Coin. Get yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. If you guys want to join our private Discord, go ahead and use that second link in the description to get signed up, get all that latest Shiba Inu and crypto news. That's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.